Hey, knowledge lovers. We've all heard the headlines. AI is coming for your job. It's a scary thought, but here's the truth that the headlines miss. AI isn't going to replace you, but a person using AI will. The key to staying relevant isn't to run away from technology, but to master the skills that AI either can't do or the ones that allow you to control the machines before they automate your tasks. If you want to build a future-proof career, you need a specific set of credentials that prove you are the architect of the new economy, not just a spectator. Today, we're breaking down 5 certifications that will make you indispensable, ensuring you stay at the top of the food chain. The best part? All of these programs offer their respective professional certifications. They are 100% online, and you can complete them from any country in the world. Stick around, because the links to access the courses will be in the video description. Let's dive in. 1. Trustworthy Generative AI Automation Specialization, Vanderbilt University. First on our list is the Trustworthy Generative AI Automation Specialization from Vanderbilt University. This isn't just about asking a chatbot to write an email, it's about building autonomous systems that can handle complex workflows. Taught by world-class experts, this program teaches you how to design AI agents that can reason, use tools, and execute multi-step plans. When you know how to build the automation, you become the one managing the digital workforce instead of competing against it. The curriculum is incredibly authentic, focusing on the flipped interaction pattern and advanced prompt engineering. You'll learn how to ensure AI outputs are accurate and trustworthy, which is the biggest concern for major corporations today. By mastering these automation frameworks, you position yourself as a high-level architect who can save companies thousands of hours, a skill set that AI simply cannot replace on its own. 2. AI Essentials, Google. Next up is the Google AI Essentials. If you want to stay ahead, you need to understand the software of the modern world. This certification is a practical, hands-on guide to using AI as a collaborative partner in your daily professional life. You'll learn the 5 steps of prompting, a structured methodology developed by Google to get high-quality, professional results every time you interact with the large language model. This course is highly persuasive for your career because it focuses on human-centric AI use. You'll gain experience in identifying AI bias and learning how to use these tools ethically to speed up research and decision-making. By the time you finish, you'll have a professional toolkit for using AI to handle the grunt work of your job, allowing you to focus on the high-level creative and strategic thinking that makes you uniquely human. 3. Marketing Strategy Specialization, i.e. Business School. AI can generate 1,000 social media posts in a second, but it cannot understand the deep emotional nuances of a brand's long-term strategy, and that is where the IE Business School Marketing Strategy Specialization comes in. This program teaches you the high-level why behind business growth. You'll dive into consumer behavior, market segmentation, and the art of competitive positioning, skills that require human empathy and cultural intuition. This specialization is vital because it proves you can think several moves ahead. You will learn how to analyze a company's internal and external environment and build a narrative that resonates with human hearts, not just algorithms. In an era of infinite AI-generated content, the person who understands the underlying strategy and human connection is more valuable to a brand than ever before. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one individually, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. 4. Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, Google. While AI is being used to create new cyber threats, it takes a human expert to understand the context and defense of a network. The Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate prepares you to be a digital guardian. You'll learn the technical foundations of Python, Linux, and SQL to identify vulnerabilities and respond to incidents. Cybersecurity is a field defined by a cat-and-mouse game that requires constant human adaptation and critical thinking. The curriculum is deeply practical, moving through industry-standard tools like SIEM dashboards and intrusion detection systems. You'll practice defending against real-world attack vectors, gaining the skills to protect a company's most sensitive data. AI can flag an anomaly, but it takes a certified professional to investigate, verify, and mitigate the risk, making this one of the most unreplaceable roles in the tech industry. 5. Python for Everybody Specialization, University of Michigan.
Finally, if you want to control the machines, you need to speak their language. The Python for Everybody specialization from the University of Michigan is the gold standard for learning how to code. Taught by the legendary Charles Severance, this course takes you from zero to being able to write programs that can scrape data from the web, interact with databases, and visualize complex information. This specialization is incredibly authentic because it treats programming as a superpower for the everyday person. You won't just be learning syntax, you'll be learning computational thinking. By the end of this program, you'll be able to build your own tools to automate your specific industry needs. When you're the one who can write the code that runs the AI, you are no longer at risk of being replaced. You are holding the keys to the kingdom. Before we wrap up, I have a massive tip for the truly ambitious. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one individually, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.